Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dina. I'm from Egypt. I work as a professional instructor of Arabic language and Islamic studies for non-native speakers. I have 9 years experience of the teaching. I have master degree in my position. I can teach you a Fusha Arabic language, Egyptian Arabic dialect, Levantine dialect, Shami dialect, Khaliji dialect, and any dialect you want. I can teach you also conversation, grammar, idioms, culture of Arabic countries. I teach it for adults, children, men, and women. I'm using the different strategies of the methods like boxes, stories, games, videos, and activity. Channel on YouTube to learn Arabic from native speakers. It's named Learn Arabic with Dina. I have also channel on TikTok. It's named Learn Arabic with Dina. I will start with you from a beginner level until advanced level. I promise you will be fluent in Arabic, inshallah. I will start with you step by step to be better in your journey to learn Arabic language. So, don't hesitate to contact with me to start the Arabic course online, and I will meet you in the first class. See you later. مع السلامة.